Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Lively Wallpaper app when it is not working on your Windows computer. First, press the Windows key and R at the same time on your keyboard. This will open the Run window. Type System Properties Performance.exe and press Enter. A Performance Options window will appear. In this window, look for the option that says Animate Controls and Elements inside Windows and make sure it is turned on. If this animation setting is off, Lively may not be able to play live wallpapers. Another thing you can try is reinstalling the app. If you installed Lively Wallpaper from the Microsoft Store, uninstall it and install the version from the official Lively Wallpaper website or GitHub page instead. Some users find that the store version sometimes has issues after Windows updates. Next, check if Lively Wallpaper is set to run on startup. Sometimes the app does not load correctly when you restart your computer. You can enable it using Task Manager. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Then go to the Startup tab. In the Startup tab, look for Lively Wallpaper in the list of programs. If it says Disabled, right-click on it and choose Enable. This will make sure Lively Wallpaper starts automatically every time you turn on your computer. Thanks for watching.